What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. My name is Min, and today it is February 10th, Vietnamese New Year, or you can call it Lunar's New Year. And it is so exciting. It's because I'm in Santa Ana, Orange County, and usually they really celebrate Vietnamese New Year really big. Hey, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
How was it?
Fun.
Was it cool?
Yeah.
Kaylin, hey, how did you enjoy it? I saw you guys.
Mama.
Tell them how was it?
Amazing. I gave some money. Yeah, let's take a
Hey, let's take a walk. We just went and got ourselves some brand new outfits for the new year. That's the wife. The kids got some new ones. Carter, let's go, kid. Here it is. This is what they call it, the Asian Garden Mall. So this is how exciting it is on Vietnamese New Year. We got ourselves outfits. I just it was like what, $60? Did she give us a discount?
No, she did it.
Dang.
It's okay. New Year. It's a different price when you ask the woman. It's always more expensive.
I know, but the man didn't give me anything. The man just straight
No,
up.
he said 60.
Did you say 60?
But the woman told you 65.
Really?
Outside.
Alright, let's go. There's so much thing you guys can do. Like throughout the year round, it is pretty busy here, but really, Vietnamese New Year is, look at behind me, y'all. Look at behind me. I mean, how exciting is that? And then red represents the color of luck. That's why you're gonna see a lot of people in red around Vietnamese New Year. And let me show you guys something. Look at this, guys. How nice is that? It is crowded, and the thing is, this is the time where these shops in here makes a lot of businesses. You know what I mean? You're gonna make a lot of money. And look at this. Wow. So cool. And over here, look how crowded this area is. That is insane, right? Go outside. Let's go outside for some food venture. Hey, Colin, can you not walk too fast, baby? I don't want to lose you. Got all the kids in line right here. And I'm going to show you guys, behind me it's pretty crowded, but I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen in the front. There you go. So you see around this everything right here, they have like all kind of food. And this place been here for a while, but look how crowded it is. When I come here on like the weekdays or like a non-holiday, you know, you see a little traffic here and there, but this is 3 times crowded than usual. And usually I like to go here like on Vietnamese New Year because the hype is fun, you know, and then you can stop by the temple and, you know, do some praying. Out here they have entertainment. Right, let's get out of the mall real quick. Let's get out of the mall. This way, baby. Go. Get in. Got the whole family here. Let's go. Man, this is what it's all about, y'all. So much entertainment, and look at the ground. Like, all you're gonna see is red paper because that's from the firecracker. look at my camera right here. You're on YouTube. Look at Daddy. This is the time where, the older folks, they just come out and enjoy a good time. I mean, retired, veterans. And this is the front of the mall right here. And this mall is a very popular mall every time Vietnamese people visit Saigon. It's called Phước Lộc Mall. Alright, so we're heading to another plaza right now. It's just right next to it. Hopefully we can catch a business shooting firecracker as we are walking, just browsing around. We take my in-law, got the dog with us, got my little son. Look at that, 80 years old and 70 some years old walking. See, this is the thing that they really enjoy as they older. Just, seeing the culture come to life. That's what it's all about. Event over there too. You guys see there's more event over there, so let's walk over there. Thank you for joining me on our Vietnamese New Year event, February 10th, 2024, guys. I just want to show you guys a little bit about my culture. Just want to show you guys the things that we do on Vietnamese New Year. And it's funny that every single year the New Year change different day. They go by the moon, the lunar. It's just amazing how it changed. And I can never keep it up what the dates are, but like I say, when I have a chance to really be around this environment, is really fun. There's a lot of food. Like we just ate, so now we're just gonna browse and just really listen to music. That's what I'm doing right now. That's what we're doing. Yeah, let me show you guys what I'm looking at right now. So we have another concert.
Một năm mới hết. Dạ em chúc mọi người một năm mới tuyệt vời hơn nha. Dạ em cảm ơn quý vị, em cảm ơn quá trời luôn. Và cái khúc kế tiếp của mình xin gửi đến quý vị cái khúc mang tựa đề Hào Hoa. Xin mời quý vị cùng lắng nghe. Dạ bài này nhảy được nè, ai có ra đây nhảy thì ra nhảy với em nè. Ra nhảy cho âm hết chị ơi.
5 lần thôi hả? Ngày mai 5 lần, ngày 4 5 lần nữa quý vị. Trời ơi, nghe quá đã rồi đó.
You guys are in luck. Oh, you guys are in luck.
Ngày đầu năm nè.
Who's lucky today?
Câu giờ đến em sắp pháo.
Are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared? Kayla, are you scared? Look at Kayla's face. Look at it. Look at. Are you scared, Carlin? Are you scared? Are you scared? Only Carter's not scared. Winner. Winner.
Mà mỗi chai đó là trong một hộp nó tới 4 chai. Mỗi chai thường bán là 99 đồng.
Mà hôm nay
4 chai, mỗi khách hàng chỉ được một set để làm quà đầu năm. 68 đồng 4 chai.
68 đồng 4 chai, từ 99 mà còn 68 đồng thưa quý vị, 4 chai mỗi một lần.
Dạ vâng. Bây giờ mình mua 4 chai cái 68 đồng thôi.
Ồ, tức là một bộ tới 400 mà bữa hôm nay là có 68 đồng.
Thì 68 là lấy số. Quý vị trẻ là không còn đâu, chỉ có mỗi gia đình mua một cái mà thôi.
6 là lộc, 68 là phát, lộc phát lộc, cũng như là một cái món quà lì xì. Hồi nãy đầu giờ chúng ta nói rồi.
Đó là 4 một cây bán riêng 99 đồng, 4 cái là 200, bây giờ là 68 đồng. Có 2 là cái đầu cơm điện. Quý vị, ai nhà nào cạnh đầu cơm điện hết thưa quý vị. Hiệu Tiger làm tại Nhật. Cái sản phẩm này thường quý vị biết là từ 160, 180 hoặc là 200 đồng. Trong ngày hôm nay gửi cho quý vị 86 đồng.
Cho nó biết cấp.
Dạ cái đó 5 cấp rưỡi.
5 cấp rưỡi.
86 đồng. Lý do tại sao dùng hồi nãy là
68 là cũng là lộc phát.
hồi nãy là phát lộc, giờ là phát lộc phát. Đó, ta đang dùng những số đó để gửi đến cho quý vị.
Phát lộc mà còn nấu cơm đó thì là mình sẽ no đủ cả năm. mà còn đem tài lộc về nhà nữa quý vị ơi. Như vậy thì nên
So they're about to blow up the firecracker right now. I think they're just waiting for these guys to finish talking. And once they finish, man, look at how long the line.
Nhưng mà không phải như vậy để giá cao đâu quý vị, tại chất giá của Amazon ngày hôm nay những cái model là KP1100 cái massage của Nhật cũng bị đến giờ. Thì 7.999 đồng, bớt 2.000 đồng quý vị thấy trước khi mua sắm thưa quý vị. Thì những cái chương trình ở trong quý vị có thể mua ở trên mua sắm hoặc là có điều kiện cái ghế 17.000 mà hôm nay bán 16.000 ra sao và được trade cái ghế cũ lại mua là 1.000 đồng nữa, tức là cũng tiết kiệm 2.000 đồng,
tức là mình lợi cả hai đầu, đúng không? Mình vừa đem được mình tống được cái đồ cũ của mình đi đổi cái món mới vào.
Alright, here we go. Man's about to do it. Here we go. About to do it. That was. I got hit a little bit. I got hit in the beginning. I got hit in the beginning.
Cả sự thành đạt hiện nay là nhờ vào sự cần cù, chịu khó của người Việt.
Alright guys, so let's end this video. So it was fun. We've been here for what, a couple hours now. The in-laws getting tired, kids getting antsy, and it's really loud and there's so much thing to do. It's just food and looking at firecrackers. But this is Vietnamese New Year in Santa Ana, Westminster, Orange County. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoy the Vietnamese culture that I share with you guys today. Other than that, chúc mừng năm mới.